Hello, now we will be exploring the Cisco Packet Tracer. So, this software let us to do networking without the actual equipment. Yeah, so first of all, maybe we can explore the network device there is. Okay, so here we have the network device, got router, got switches, hubs, wireless device, security, and wide area networking devices. And then there's also the devices. There will be home devices like speaker, garage door, etc. Maybe we can show maybe this one, PC, laptop, maybe server. Then you also got TV and many of it. The speaker, garage door. There's also components like the boards, actuators, sensors. There's also connection or media. This will be the cables. But first, maybe we can look into the other router types. Okay, so we got the ISR for 331 router. We also got the 829 router 3. And there's also 1841 router 4. Okay, there are many types of router here. Okay, and then maybe we can divide them into 3 parts. Maybe I will write here. It is divided into 3, which is end devices. There's also intermediary devices, and then there's also medias. Okay, maybe we can just look into the example from the Cisco. Like, for example, what is the difference? What is the end devices? Now, so this one is garage door, got PC, got TV, got laptop, and then also server. Okay, so and then intermediary devices, you got the 809 router, 1841 router, and then the ISR 4331. Okay, and then for the medias, you got the console cables, you got the copper straight to, you got fiber, but later this is just example. So what differentiates between the end devices, intermediary devices, and medias? So first of all, end devices, it is computing devices that interconnects. Okay, so this very own devices. They have each unique IP address. Okay, and then there's intermediary devices. This, for example, router 809 router, it provides connectivity to the network, and then it also can connect individual networks, and then it's also connect networks. It can connect segments within the same network. Okay, but how does it connect? Okay, it requires the medias. Okay, so there's different types of medias, but their main purpose is to connect between the, and then to make to make the to connect the intermediary devices into the end devices. Okay, but sometimes you don't need the medias. Okay, maybe we'll just look into the different type of medias now. So for example, here we get the automatic connection type. So this one, this will automatically choose the best, not the best, the compatible cable. So for example, I want to put my server into my, maybe to the router, so it automatically chooses the copper crossover. Okay, and then there's also copper straight through. This one is very important because it is commonly used, copper straight through. So this one is for it's internet, the router maybe, yeah, something like that. Then there's also fiber, then there's also copper crossover, and then there's also phone cable. There's also coaxial. Coaxial is for TVS networks, but yeah, but it's for TVS actually. Yes. Okay, but this is all the cables available in the Cisco Packet Tracer. Yeah. There's also USB cable, IoT custom cable, octal, serial DTE, and serial DCE. Yes. Okay. So, for example, if you are not sure which cable to use, you can use the automatic connection type. And then we can learn forward to use which one. For example, the garage door, what cable is optimum for it, like that. Okay, so maybe this is all for now. This is introduction to the types of end devices, the intermediary devices, and medias, and then also different types of medias. So basically, yeah, Cisco Packet Tracer, we can simulate the networking without the actual equipment. Thank you. Take care.